Look closely at Malaysia today, and you'll find a highly developed, deeply connected hub drawing thousands of international students every year. But step outside that concrete urban center, and the environment changes completely. You enter a vast 3,000-hectare expanse of tropical forest, which is integrated directly into modern academic architecture. This dynamic percentile chart illustrates exactly where University Putra Malaysia, or UPM, stands globally. Out of thousands of institutions evaluated, they cross the threshold to rank 134th in the world, placing them firmly in the top 1%. That position took almost a century to secure. In 1931, this site operated as a modest colonial-era agricultural school. Over 93 years of continuous development, it evolved into a massive science and technology research institution. This massive hybrid campus functions as an active classroom, where students apply high-tech theory directly to the surrounding tropical ecosystems. The academic engine driving this operation spans 15 distinct faculties. The curriculum covers everything from advanced physical sciences to cutting-edge digital technology and artificial intelligence. This radar chart shows UPM's global dominance. Metrics spike for veterinary science at 37th worldwide, and agriculture and forestry at 56th. From these data points, their 2025 planetary health blueprint emerges, directly linking human, animal, and environmental health into one operational goal. You can walk across campus and see the physical results of that blueprint. Researchers are currently operating an AI-driven indoor plant factory and engineering fully automated climate-controlled poultry facilities. Maintaining that level of output requires serious academic rigor. Postgraduate researchers face strict minimum GPA requirements and must pass highly scrutinized comprehensive exams to advance their work. That rigorous approach applies outside the laboratory as well. The university houses a School of Business and Economics that holds the highly coveted AASCB accreditation, placing it among the top business schools on the planet. An education here means stepping into active, heavily funded projects designed to solve modern problems like food security and climate resilience. Securing a degree from a top 1% research institution usually carries a massive financial burden, but this comparative bar chart reveals a stark difference in cost. A 4-year UPM degree totals roughly $15,000, a fraction of Western equivalents. Monthly living expenses also scale with your budget, from affordable shared dormitories to premium private apartments right on campus. The campus itself is designed around an EduPark concept. Students spend their downtime exploring the Farm Fresh Agro Park, interacting with the university's dairy cattle, or participating in a highly active campus sports culture. Because the campus is so large, getting to those locations requires planning. Students rely heavily on the university bus system, ride-sharing apps like Grab, or their own personal motorbikes to navigate between classes. The university also utilizes a strict internal merit system. To guarantee a spot in the on-campus housing each year, you have to actively participate in university clubs and student organizations. The financial value and the lifestyle are exceptional, provided you are organized and highly proactive about managing your daily schedule. Earning a seat at an elite institution like this requires navigating a rigid, multi-step admissions pipeline. You have to clear exact academic thresholds. The admissions office scrutinizes high school GPAs and requires certified proof of English proficiency through tests like IELTS or MUET. If your academic record is strong enough, you can apply for highly competitive funding, like the International Graduate Student Scholarship, to significantly lower your tuition. Even with an acceptance letter in hand, you still have to clear the government compliance phase. You must secure a student pass through Education Malaysia Global Services, which involves its own complex set of documentation. Missing a single signature, misformatting a document, or missing a deadline will completely halt your application and delay your enrollment. To eliminate that friction and guarantee your spot, you need an expert bridge. Maqamat operates precisely for this reason. Their team takes full control of your application, formatting and submitting your documents to ensure absolute compliance with UPM's strict standards. They also handle the bureaucratic heavy lifting with the Malaysian government. Maqamat expedites your EMGS clearance and secures your student visa long before you book your flight. The result of that preparation is a completely seamless arrival in Malaysia. When you walk out of the terminal, the Maqamat ground team is there to receive you. Their support continues well past the airport. During that crucial first year, they help you navigate the massive campus layout and understand the merit housing system, so you can focus entirely on your coursework. Bypass the bureaucratic friction. Secure your place at one of the world's leading research institutions by starting your application with Maqamat.